Okay, hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to install Power BI. So first of all, you have to open browser. You have to open new browser. Here you have to type Power BI. So here you can see the option Microsoft Power BI data visualizations. You have to click on that. It will ask you for start free. Click on that. So you have to click on download for free. Here it is asking you allows you to this type associated type, so we don't need that. You have to click on cancel. So once you click on cancel, it will ask you for free. So here you can see directly the product, and here you have to select the Power BI desktop. Here it will ask you for download free. Now again you have to click on cancel. Let's see for language option. Here by default the English will be selected. Click on download. Here you have to select the Power BI desktop setup 64 extension and click on next. So here it is showing the different options which you want to download. So click here to download manually. It is downloading. So here you have to select Microsoft Power BI desktop. So the downloading process is going on. So by default, we have clicked it 2 or 3 times. So it has taken 2 times. So one time is enough. It is downloading here. We can see here this one. Once this is done, it will be going into the downloads. One minute left. So let's wait for 1 minute. So it is done. So once you click on downloads, it will be coming to here. So in the downloads, you can see here the Power BI setup. It has been downloaded. Now we have to install this. Okay. So the installation process is starting now. You have to click on next here. By default, the language will be English only. So here you have to click on next. Now you have to select this option. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Now you have to click on next. Okay. So click on install. The installing process is going on. So here finally, after installing, it is asking you the option like finish. You have to click on that. Once you click on finish, it will be done. So here you can see on your desktop the Power BI desktop. Okay, so it is successfully downloaded and installed in our desktop. This is the process. So if you want to open the Power BI desktop, you have to double click on that, then it will be opened. So this is the Power BI desktop screen. So these are the options, and it is still loading. So here you have to click on get started. So this is all about the installing process of Power BI. So this is the Power BI desktop. In case if you have any email address, you can type here and you can continue. That's all. Thank you.